Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Cash App not available in your country or region. So guys, when you want to download Cash App, as you can see here, when I am going to download my Cash App, facing this type of issue again and again, and when I am going to search Cash App in App Store, as you can see here, so guys, there is no Cash App for downloading. So guys, how can you download Cash App if not available in your country? So guys, you can easily download this. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you have to open your App Store on your any iPhone device and click on your main profile icon, and guys you need to click on your Apple ID name. And guys, after this you have to wait for some seconds loading. So guys, now you will see this type of interface. So guys, simply you have to click on country and region first. So guys, now you have to click on change country or region, and guys, after this, from here you need to scroll it down, and guys, now you have to select United States from here. And guys, after selecting it you need to wait, click on agree with terms and conditions of Apple Media. And guys, from here if you want to add any payment method, select your payment method, and if not you have to select none option. And guys, here you need to enter your street address, for example this one, and city. So guys, from here you have to select your state. So guys, for example I am going to select United States from here if there is available New York. So guys, now after this you have to enter here zip code. So guys, here is the zip code of, and guys here you need to write your phone number. And guys, after this you have to click on next. So guys, after this you have to wait for some seconds. Now you will see that your country and region will be changed. And guys, now you can search Cash App here. So guys, now you can see Cash App is available here. Now you can download easily without any interruption. So guys, here you need to enter your Apple ID password. So guys, for example I am going to enter here, and guys, now you will see there is Cash App is downloading on my iPhone. So guys, this is the procedure to download Cash App. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.